Elander, tell me why you were drawn to the Localscapes idea.
So I believe the first thing that drew me to the Localscapes idea is that it was different and that it's beautiful. It's beautiful because it doesn't have to just be one thing. You can pull a bunch of different things together. You can pull together rocks, you can pull together grass, you can pull together plants, you can pull together everything. Some of the benefits that I see is we are watering less. There's less to maintain as a builder when I build a home and, show it. When people actually get to use their landscapes, they're not going to come out and, hang out on their park strip. They're going to be in their backyard on their hardscapes or on their grass. More functionality. So the benefits to me as a builder is I get to do something different, and we like to do different things, and we like to partner with our local municipalities and work together to create a beautiful society.